Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review our second half of 2025 highlights. My name is Willow, and I'm a consultant certified in Employee Central and supporting EC benefits and EC time. I'm located in the USA and work for Veritas Prime, a global SAP SuccessFactors partner. We are one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies specializing in implementing and supporting SuccessFactors with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I will be reviewing some key release updates for time tracking. For complete release analysis, you can connect with us via the Contact Us link on our website at veritasprime.com. Or for current clients, please reach out to your project manager or CSM. Let's begin by looking at our first highlight. Automatic synchronization of clock in, clock out employees supported for leave of absence. Manual employee synchronization for clock in, clock out users is no longer needed for leave of absence. When job information is updated with the appropriate employee LOA status, the clock in, clock out employee synchronization is automatically deployed. While on LOA, a clock in, clock out employee cannot clock in time for the duration of time noted in the job information record. Once returned, the employee is able to view all assigned time event types, allowing them to clock in and out. Next, we have geofencing for clock time, admin. Geofencing ensures that employees can only clock time using a mobile device when they're within their desired location. And please note that Google Maps is being used to render the map shown in the application. If Google Maps is not supported in your country or region, you will not be able to utilize this feature. As an admin, the Manage Geofences page lists all the available geofences. You can edit, activate, and copy the geofences, which are made of different shapes and sizes. You can also deactivate and delete geofences using this page. The Configure Clock In, Clock Out group page allows you to enable or disable geofences. Also, you can assign geofences to different time event types. The functionality of geofencing for clock time for employees is the same as admin, however, the use cases are different. While using a mobile device, you are allowed to clock time only when you are within the boundary of your assigned geofence. You can see the distance from the nearest geofence, where this distance is always the radio distance and not the actual distance. Next, we have Timesheet Change Audit Document for an employee self-service scenario. Employees can now create and view the change audit data for their timesheets via the Timesheet UI. The Timesheet Change Audit document serves to track and document manual changes in an easy manner to ensure transparency and accountability for payroll and time inquiries, investigations, or any audit needs. As an employee, you can select the Change Audit button on your timesheet to open the Generate Change Audit dialog. After the Change Audit document is generated, you can view the document by selecting the Change Audit button on the Timesheet UI. To regenerate the document, select Generate, and the existing document will be replaced with a newly generated Change Audit document. Copy and paste in Mobile Timesheet. Employees can now copy and paste timesheets in Mobile Timesheet. If an employee has to record the same working time for various days, they will be able to now copy and paste their time entries. Flexible timesheet approval periods in Mobile Timesheet. You can now configure timesheets with flexible approval periods in Mobile Timesheet. In addition to weekly and monthly timesheets, you can now define approval periods of 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and half a month. Approval periods can now be defined on a more granular timeline to accommodate time and payroll processing requirements. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.